Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 new leaks is here. Korean publication ET News report that the 3D ToF of a flight sensor will not be making a comeback next year with the Galaxy S22 series in 2022. ToF sensor were featured on a recent high-profile release like the Galaxy S10 5G and the S21 20 Ultra. However, the company swiped it in a simple laser autofocus system for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, launched it and found that the change did not negatively impact user experience. So ToF was out and laser autofocus was in for the Galaxy S21 Ultra launch as well in this year, which will carry over to next year S22 series. According to insider, Samsung spoke about bringing the ToF sensor back after Apple include on the iPhone 12 Pro and a Pro Max. But after some consideration and looking at consumer feedback, the company reportedly made the decision to stick with the simpler setup. This will impact Samsung LSI, which introduced its first ToF sensor, the Vision 33D. A few months ago, the division was expected to receive a large order for sensor, which would have boosted its shipment. Now the ToF sensor are expected to go to smartphone maker in China. Sony is the market leader in the segment, supplies sensor for Apple, iPhone, iPads, among other customers. Without the millions of sensor that would have gone in next Galaxy S flagship, Samsung LSI will have a tough time challenging Sony dominances. A ToF sensor like 3D camera, it measures the distance to object to create a depth map. In contrast, laser autofocus is like a single pixel, so it can only help with autofocus. Anyway, the depth map is used to separate the subject from the background in portrait shoot. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 will not a ToF sensor, it will come with the laser autofocus system. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 series? And like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.